How's it going, guys? Welcome to the special episode of Wrenchin With Ruben. Today, we're going to be checking out the new XO-1. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. The XO-1 is the first ready-to-run RC car that goes over 100 miles an hour. The XO-1 actually doesn't do 100 miles an hour out of the box. We have to change the pinion gear and unlock it on the Traxxas app. Lots of new features in the XO-1, let's take a look at them. One feature is the canard that provides downforce on the car, that way it doesn't lift up when it's doing 100 miles an hour. They updated the A-arms to allow for a more universal fit, making it easier to get replacements. They also added a couple new features to the body. One is the vent here, and the wing for downforce. Some cool, awesome features about this guy. We got aluminum shock towers, GTR shocks, we got metal drive lines, we got aluminum front and rear hubs. This thing has a Mamba Monster updated ESC, and it has a NACTA duct for cooling down the motor. Let's get started on the adjustments to get this bad boy to 100 miles an hour. Traxxas provides the high-speed pinion gear. Let's get it installed. First, let's loosen up the motor to get to the pinion. To get to the set screw on the pinion, we need to remove the motor. Oh my gosh, this is a giant pinion gear. After we put on the pinion and replace the motor, we're going to go ahead and do some adjustments on the Traxxas app. Now we're going to connect the remote and the car to the Traxxas Link app. You're going to use this button right here to connect to the Traxxas Link app. We're going to turn on the radio, and we're going to press the button on the back. When it's flashing, it's ready to bind. Now we're going to click on the Link app, connect, and we're now connected. In the Traxxas app, you're going to go ahead and sign a couple liability waivers, and then you'll be good to go. We've got the gear installed, unlocked in the app, we're ready to go. Man, guys, that was a lot of fun. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Wrenchin With Ruben. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Till next time.